Hello children, we will read about present perfect continuous tense. First usage of this tense. First use is it is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing. Say example, he has been working here for 5 years. He has been working here for 5 years. How many years? For 5 years. Identification of this tense. से रहा है, से रही है, से रहे हैं, etc. are found in the end of verbs in Hindi sentences. Helping verb has and have been with singular subject and we use have been with plural subject. Main verb is verb first form plus ing. Sentence structure affirmative sentences. Subject has, have, been, verb first form plus ing, object, since, for and time phrase. Negative sentence is first subject comes, after that has, have, not, been, verb first form plus ing, object, since, for plus time phrase. In interrogative sentence, has, have comes first, after that subject, been, verb first form plus ing, object, since, for plus time phrase. See affirmative sentence. Any example? He has been working here for 5 years. He subject, have been helping verb and working main verb here for 5 years. In negative sentence, he has not been working here for 5 years. In interrogative sentence structure, has he been working here for 5 years? Next, WH questions. WH word has, have, subject, been, verb first form plus ing, object, since, for plus time phrase. Okay, note since. When we use since, we use since is used for a point of time. Point of time के लिए since birth, since Monday, since January, since 2012. Okay. For is used for a period of time. Say example, for a long time, for an hour, for 2 days, for a month. Say example, I have been doing this work since Monday last. Here I subject and have helping verb. I have been doing this work since Monday. Here have been is a helping verb. I is a subject. You have been teaching in that school. Here since Monday we use since because Monday is a time, point of time, Monday. Okay, next, you have been teaching in that school blank 10 years. You have to use the since and for. We use for because 10 years is a period of time, so we can use for. Next, Raman has been living in this house. Raman has been living in this house 5 years. 5 years. We use for. Because 5 years is a period of time, not a point of time. I have been reading in UP. I have been reading in UP. Birth, janam se. We use since. Because birth is a point of time. Since. Okay, next. Why have you been doing? Why have you been doing that same work? Dash 3 years. 3 years. We use 4 because 3 years is a period of time. We use 4. Okay.
1.
Fill in the blanks with a suitable word given in the brackets. You have to fill the exercise. First, he to college every day. Every day. We can see every day. Okay. He to college. Goes, going. We use goes in this sentence because we can see every day. The sun in the east. The sun in the east. It is a universal truth. The sun. The sun is a singular subject, so we can use rises. The peon, the bell is ringing. Ring. The peon is a singular subject, so we use is ringing, not use in ring. He just. We can see just. He is a singular subject and so has arrived. We can use has arrived. It dash for 5 hours. It dash for 5 hours. Has been raining. Is raining. We use has been raining because it is a singular subject.
1.
I brush my teeth daily. I brush या brush. I brush my teeth daily. Dash. She like to play outdoor games. It is an interrogative sentence and does comes. Next, you have an umbrella with you. It is an interrogative sentence. You have an umbrella with you. Do ya does. Okay, we use do because you is a plural subject. Danny his car daily before taking it out of the garage. We use horses because Danny is a similar subject. Okay, you have to fill the exercise.